What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today we had the final on the 85 Oldsmobile, and I gotta say this thing actually turned out pretty darn good. So let's go ahead and show you what I did to it, and then we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. So, like I said, a wonderful kit. This kit actually went together pretty darn well, except there's one little issue. It's not major. I don't know why I said that. It's just a little issue, and let's go ahead and just get that out of the way, and then we'll move on to the positive. So the one little issue with this kit was the clear parts. The clear parts, they're nice, but they are actually pretty big for the windows cell. The main windshield went on perfect. That was no issue. It was the side windows and the back window. They were too big, and you're gonna have to do a lot of sanding on them. So I didn't know that. I test fitted them and they actually went on perfect. It's probably because I did paint, so that's why they're not tinted. Because, well, I actually had another kit in my stash, so I kind of stole the windows out of that kit, and they're not tinted because I didn't feel like tinting them. But it's fine. I actually kind of like it non-tinted because, you know, these older cars, they're not really tinted. I don't like them tinted, so I actually like them not tinted. So, but that out of the way, like I said, just the windows, you're gonna have to do a lot of shaving on them because, you know, they don't fit. So, but other than that, the whole kit went together so well. So let's go ahead and show you what we did to it, and then stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll have some pictures of this in the photo booth. So, alright, so body color. It's one of the simplest body colors I've ever done. It's just pure black. No metallic, no nothing. It's just black, pure black, with Automotive 2K clear, which looks fantastic. And I think on my last update video I said the clear black is one of the hardest paints to get right. I mean, what I mean by get right means without any orange peel. Black is pretty, you know, it doesn't seem too difficult, I should say. It's like, oh man, it's just black, and you can clear coat it and it looks fine. Actually, it's probably one of the hardest colors to clear, because you might be able to put 3 or 4 coats on of clear, and you're still gonna get orange peel. It's just how the color works. It's just weird. So I had to wet sand it a lot and polish it, but it has a very nice shine to it, and as you see, it looks very good. So I love how it turned out. The body panels were on perfect. I actually put those on before paint, and you know, you're gonna have to do some sanding on those. I know they're from a kit, but you are gonna have to do some work on those. They're not 100% precise. You are gonna have to, you know, sand down the because they are pretty thick from the kit, and they're not even with the fenders. So you're gonna have to do quite a bit of sanding to get those even with the fenders. But other than that, they look fantastic at the end. So if you want to do this version of the body kit, you're gonna have to do a little bit extra work, but not too major. It's easily done. So, but it actually looks very good at the end. That's pretty much about the outside. I use the stock wheels. I mean, I just love the stock wheels. Painted inserts black, like they're supposed to be, and I think they look fantastic. I love how they look. So that's pretty much about the outside. The whole outside looks fantastic. I love it in this black, and the yellow pinstripe on the side goes around the whole car. It just looks very good. It really stands out, and I just love how that looks. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the interior. The interior is the box art. Like I said, it mentioned black, do all black, but it's not true. I looked up some images. It's actually pretty hard. It's pretty hard to find some pictures of this car, of the interior. So, but I did kind of zoom in quite a bit on the pictures, and they are mostly, well, they're all gray, I should say. I did not see a single black interior, so they're all like a darkish grayish. So the dashboard, the center console, and the door panels is like a light gray, and then the seats are the dark gray. So you can't really see it in camera, but there is a little bit of difference. It's just the gray I used from N.Y.S. So, but there is a little bit of difference, and they look fantastic. I put on some seat belts back here. Can't really see them, but you know, they're there. It's nice to know they're there, and they look very good. So the whole interior looks fantastic. I flocked it, and the carpet looks fantastic. I mean, the whole interior is fantastic. I love the 3 shifters in the middle. I mean, that looks very cool, what this car is known of. So yeah, I love the interior. Super simplified. Went together super well. No issues with that whatsoever. So let's go ahead and move on to the chassis. Chassis is nothing special, it's just black with aluminum exhaust, and yeah, it's nothing special. And then the whole engine is just semi-gloss black. It's really just a black machine, you want to call it, like a Batmobile. The whole engine bay is just black, and the filter is chrome on the build car, so I went ahead and painted the filter chrome, and then the part sticking out of the filter is black. I painted it was black, and they look fantastic. So I really love how the engine bay looks. I did some wires. It's like brownish, copperish wire, I don't know what you want to call it, but they look fantastic. I didn't want to do black wires because they would blend right in with the engine, and you know, you're not going to see them. So, but yeah, the that, the whole engine bay looks fantastic. Chassis, you know, very simplified chassis, but you know, it does a pretty darn good job. You know, you're not going to see the chassis anyway. You're just going to flip your model on the side. So, but other than that, this kit is fantastic. Not a whole lot of parts in this kit, but what is there is actually very detailed. I mean, the whole thing looks fantastic. I mean, from the outside to the interior, that's pretty much all you're gonna have to see. Maybe the engine, but the kit is fantastic. I really love how the thing turned out. So, and there's actually multiple versions you can do this kit. You can do it with the body kit, or you can do it with a non-body kit, which is like a white and silver version. There's, you know, I think there's 3 different ways you can do this kit, and I've done the showroom version. I mean, I just love the body kit and fenders and over the whole black scheme of it. I mean, the black really suits this car a lot, so it really looks good. Like I said, if you want to do this version, you have to do a lot more work with the body kit, but other than that, it is totally worth it. I mean, I love it. It looks fantastic. Just one thing you gotta know of is the clear parts. The clear parts are just a little bit too big. They might fit perfect before paint, but wait, after paint, you know, they're gonna be pretty tight. So make sure you sand quite a bit off them before, you know, you paint it and stuff. So, but other than that, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. That's gonna wrap up this build. I'm gonna go ahead and start my new build. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I have it in the photo booth, some pics, and I might have a little slideshow on my other channel. I think I took some pictures of it. So go to my other channel if you want to see the slideshow of that and the pictures, and then stay tuned on Wednesday. I do have a full build video coming out on this car. You guys been waiting for it. You guys been asking me to do a whole build video, and I do have a full build video on this bad boy right here. My very first build video, and I think it actually turned out pretty good. It's not going to be a full build video because I actually started the full build video series a little bit after I started this build, but only thing that it's not in the video is the me prepping the body. I pretty much got the body up prepped before I started the whole build video thinking thing. So, but I do have a video of me painting the body, me putting the interior together, chassis. So it's basically a whole build video. So I hope you guys will enjoy those. Like I said, they are going to be a little bit longer video, which you guys said you don't mind. So it's like a 40-minute video, but like I said, no, I'm not talking in those videos. It's just a video alone and a little bit of music. Music is not loud. You guys say you don't want too much music, so music is not loud. I actually dimmed the music down quite a bit, and you can hear me airbrushing and stuff. You can hear the airbrush going. So I hope you guys will enjoy those. Let me know in the comments of that video what you guys think. So, but I hope you guys will enjoy that. But until my next video, guys, and until my next build, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.